Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our maintenance guide for the HP 14 Candelas laptop. Today, we will cover essential steps to keep your device running smoothly. First, let's gather the necessary tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a can of compressed air, a microfiber cloth, and thermal paste if you plan to reapply it on the CPU. Begin by powering off your laptop and unplugging it from any electrical source. This is crucial for your safety. Next, remove the battery if your model allows it. Use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws located on the back panel. Remember to keep them organized for easy reassembly. Once you've removed the screws, gently lift the back panel off. Be cautious of any ribbon cables connected to the panel. Now, you can see the internal components of your laptop. Start by using the can of compressed air to blow out any dust and debris from the cooling fans and vents. This step is vital for preventing overheating. If you're unsure about this process or don't have the tools, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home for your convenience. Next, check the thermal paste on your CPU. If it looks dry or flaky, it's time to replace it. Carefully unscrew the heatsink, clean off the old thermal paste using the microfiber cloth, and apply a small amount of new thermal paste. Reattach the heatsink securely. This will enhance the cooling efficiency of your laptop. Now, let's move on to the RAM. If your laptop allows, remove the RAM sticks and clean the slots with compressed air. Reseat the RAM sticks to ensure they are properly connected. This can help in improving the overall speed and performance of your device. After cleaning the interior, take a moment to inspect the exterior of your laptop. Use the microfiber cloth to wipe down the screen and keyboard. This not only improves your user experience but also helps in maintaining the laptop's aesthetics. If at any point during this process you feel uncomfortable or lack the necessary tools, don't hesitate to reach out. We provide professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you receive the guidance you need without any commitment. Before closing up your laptop, double-check all connections and screws. Make sure everything is secured properly. Replace the back panel and reinsert all screws, ensuring none are left over. This can prevent future issues. Finally, power on your laptop and check if everything is functioning as expected. If you encounter any problems, remember we can provide a quote before repair, so you know exactly what to expect. Regular maintenance not only extends the life of your laptop but also enhances its performance. Thank you for following this guide. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.